school you a little bit on dehumidifiers. This is a small sample of the seemingly hundreds that we apparently have in our warehouse. As you can see that there's a lot of different colors here, and some of them seem to be the same size, but even though they are the same size, they are vastly different. Some run at really high temperatures, some run at low temperatures, some pull a little bit of pints, some pull a lot of pints. What it really comes down to is these are all commercial grade dehumidifiers. So this one, for example, right in front of me, this particular unit will pull as much as, let's say, about 3 of your at-home dehumidifiers will pull. So we have a vast selection, and if you have a loss, it's pretty simple. You just got to call my tool Aquire.